You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's Wednesday, the 12th of November. This is meteorologist James Spann. The warming trend will continue across Alabama for the rest of this week and over the weekend, and the chance of needed rain not looking good, at least for the next 7 days. So let's dive into it. We've got the upper air look first off, and we've got a northwest flow aloft, the big trough that brought the very cold air a couple of days ago. That's moved on to the east. And once again, we have a very dry air mass in place. Got a few scattered clouds over parts of west and southwest Alabama. Otherwise, the sky is sunny statewide. Many questions about seeing the aurora again tonight, and it's not really looking good. This is the planetary K index, and notice last night this thing spiked at almost 9, at 8.5, which is indicative of a G4 severe geomagnetic storm. But notice how the K index continues to fall, and that just does not look good. We had another CME that came in today, but again, I just don't expect much. But having said that, space weather is very tricky. It's not like regular weather forecasting we deal with. So still, it's worth a glance up to the north tonight, but I would not expect much, unfortunately. So here's the radar around the nation. Of course, nothing happening around here. And a nice rebound today. We started off the day in the 30s in most spots. We've got 60s over North Alabama, low 70s for the southern counties of the state. Watch warning map, got some wind issues over California. Winter storm warnings in effect for the Sierra Nevada mountains there. The east is very quiet. There's the severe weather outlook through tonight. No severe storms, maybe some thunder north of San Francisco and the California coast. Pretty much the same thing tomorrow and on day 3, which is Friday. Again, maybe some thunder over Southern California, Los Angeles and San Diego, but no severe storms. Much of the country nice and quiet. But we need rain. This is the rain for the next 7 days, and not much, valid through Wednesday of next week. And quite frankly, the new batch of models that have come in this morning look even drier through Wednesday of next week. It might be the end of next week before we see a decent chance of showers, and even then it's somewhat iffy as the latest batch of global models really holding the main rain activity west of the state. We'll take a look at the specifics here in just a moment. Tropics again. Stick a fork in it. Nothing happening now, and again, prospects of tropical activity for the rest of this year look pretty low. Looks like it'll be the summer of 2026 before the next hurricane. Model fans, let's go. The European, this is valid tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock, the 12Z run. And once again, a northwest flow aloft, and once again, a very dry air mass. We start today, upper 30s and low to mid 40s, the high tomorrow, above 70 in most spots, very mild. Here's a look at Friday, same thing, sunny and mild, highs in the 70s, great night for high school playoff games. Saturday, sunny and mild, beautiful day for college football. Both Alabama with a home game against Oklahoma, UAB with a home game against North Texas. For both those games, it'll be sunny and mild. Sunday, a little feature, a little shortwave comes through, and could that squeeze out a shower? Maybe, but probably not. I think the air's so dry we can just leave rain out of the forecast on Sunday. And let's go to next week. Monday, we're looking dry. Highs will likely stay above 70. Tuesday, we're still dry. A week from today, Wednesday, the 19th of November, got a ridge in place here. Big trough back in the southwest United States, but again, with that ridge, most likely we're still dry and still mild, with highs exceeding 70. So let's see here. Let's go. I'll tell you what I can do here. Let's go to Friday of next week, Friday, the 21st of November. And again, the Europeans suggesting now this could be the best chance of showers next week at the end of the week, maybe Thursday night and Friday. With a weakening shortwave, probably not that much. And this is 10 days out. This is Saturday, November 22nd, troughing to the west. And again, the rain is mainly to the west on Saturday, the 22nd. But again, confidence is not really high in that we're seeing a variety of model solutions out here. But I think the idea is that it's going to be pretty mild for the latter half of November with hopefully increasing rain chances. As we approach that Thanksgiving week, we do need the rain. We'll get the new drought monitor tomorrow morning. Rain for the next 15 days. The mean is a little over 2 inches between now and the 27th of November. Temperatures off the NBM National Blend of Models. Look at that. Highs stay over 70 each day through Thursday of next week. And then upper 60s on Friday the 21st, Saturday the 22nd. No sign of any freeze for the next 10 days. And probably beyond, because this is the latest long-range guidance just in. This is for November 20th through the 26th, getting awfully close to Thanksgiving here. And with ridging in place, temperatures will likely be above average. So we've got to roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Oh, man, the 6th graders. These guys are smart. They can soak up the science. Springville Middle School, St. Clair County, great time today. And man, oh, man, this cake is unbelievable. That was made by the Mad Hatter over in Jacksonville. Well, look at the radar, the images on this thing. That's absolutely astounding. Wow. But we had a great session today. Talked about weather forecasting, weather instruments, did some storm spotting, talked about convection, tornadoes, hurricanes, much more. What a good time today. It's a great school, great teachers. So we get everybody at Springville Middle School. Thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You know you guys are looking good. So tomorrow going to be at Thorsby High School in Chilton County for a program there. And then Friday it'll be at Bagley Elementary School up in far North Jefferson County, up near the Walker County line, up around Sayre, Bagley, Dora, Summerton there. Good program there. Hope to see a lot of fine students. I know I will. We'll be on ABC 3340 News this evening. And don't forget, you can catch my forecast every day on great radio stations across Alabama, including in Birmingham, 104.7 WZZK. Thanks for watching. Have a marvelous Wednesday evening, and God bless.